know the advantage of buying at a wholesale price? It's all about saving money, and when you buy at wholesale price for yourself, for your personal consumption, you will save a whole lot of money. Welcome back, ladies. Have you ever heard about this website, Dressin? Alright, have you ever heard about them before? Today I'm going to be showing you this amazing website where they have a whole lot of beautiful outfits on their website, and they are very affordable. You all know this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and that is why I'm so excited to partner with this company today to feature the outfits that I'm going to be featuring in this channel today. Initially, when Dressin was just created, the company was based on the fact that they're going to be selling from business to business in wholesale prices. But now they have decided to start selling directly to consumer, just like you and I. What does that mean to you? That is going to be very affordable. I've seen a lot of ridiculous prices on their website. I am going to be telling you the quality, what I feel about all the things, all the clothing items I selected by myself on their website. And without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. So these are all the items that I picked. I picked 5 clothing from their websites. I have everything right here. And they come in this Ziploc bag with the brand logo on it, Dressin DR. They have it on each item. That's how they package it. They're going to go ahead and start telling you the quality, and I'll try them on for you as well. The first one I'm presenting is this shirt, and this one is called the wrinkle v-neck lantern blouse. On their website, they have it in two shades. They have it in black, also in blue. Sizes ranges from size small to extra large. We can see right here it has a v-neck and a button details at the front, and also right here we have the button details. Here is the lantern sleeves. I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you all to see. I chose size medium. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, I feel like medium looks like it's a little bit, it's going to be big for me, but I'm going to try it on and see. I just don't want it tight fitted, you understand? I want it to be able to be breathable on me, a little bit loose and not that big. I don't want to look like they drop me inside the shirt. The shirt is wearing me, I'm not the one wearing the shirt. You understand you understand what I mean? But overall the quality looks really good. It's well detailing, it's well made, and the quality look amazing for the price. So here's the next one. This is a leopard print high-rise elastic waist skirts. They have it in 2 patterns. This is pattern 3 and they have pattern 1. You will see that on their website. This is also real made good. It has an elastic, that's why it is called elastic waist skirts. Look at that right there, and it's a mid length, I believe. That's where it's going to stop. He has this airline style going on with it, and it's well tailored. It's not lined under it, so, and it's not transparent either. I'm just trying to see if you can see, but still I will recommend you wear something under it. It's a skirt, so you want to be prepared for those windy days that you don't see it coming. You don't want to put your business out there. All right, so this is how this is looking. It's well tailored. Also, it has this tag right here, just like the other one. It's well made, it's very light, feels very breathable material that they use, well tailored. And here is the next one. This is a jumpsuit. I chose size small in this, and I'm so excited. I'm really happy that I chose size small. It has a belt. This is the belt right here. This is called, on their website, it is called wrinkle v-neck medium rise lantern long sleeve jumpsuits. That's what it is called. They have it in different color. This is the red wine. They have it in dark green, also in black color. They have it from size small to extra large. Yes, and this is really nice too. I just want to bring it closer for you all to see the tailoring. Like, it's very neat. It's a v-neck. It has this elastic on the waist, elastic band on the waist, and the lantern sleeve has an elastic band right here too. It's a jumpsuit with a belt hole right here. You know, you can do with the belt or without the belt, which probably when I'm going to be styling it, not in this video. In this video I'm going to be using it with this belt, but when I'm going to style it, like I'm going to use some other belt with it just to elevate the look, you know. And it has this button right here at the back with this hole. It's very long. It's at the bottom. We have this elastic band also. Ladies, if you're still watching my video up until this time, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. And here is the next one. This is called the high rise knit flare leg pants. They have this one in different color as well. They have it in orange, which is what I'm featuring now. They have it in black and also in white. This one runs small if you're going to pick this one. And ladies, look at the tailoring. Look at that. Everything is neatly made. See, this is what I'm looking out for. Forget about how affordable sometimes we claim we want our outfit to be, but you want to look at the quality as well. These are affordable and the quality are awesome at the same time. They are well tailored. Look at that. Look at the sewing. Look at that. Look at the inside. And it has this silver button detailing. On their website you would think they are gold, but no, they are silver button detailing, and the bottom is flare. And they have this open at the bottom. Let's see if we can open this. No, they are not functional. They are just there for decoration. So when you get to the bottom, you can see there is an open spot right here. But if you try to open the button, you can't open them. They are just there for, you know, just for decoration. And here is the last one. Look at the detailing. Oh my god, this is really beautiful, and it feels like every little bit. It's quality. It's amazing. I feel like they line it inside. Yes, it's a double layer. They line it, so that's why it feels a little bit heavy in my hand. It's really nice. Look at the ruche going on the side, at the front. The ruche, it's so beautiful all the way down. They have this one in different color as well. They have it in white, they have it in black, also in red. The sizes are from size small to extra large. Ladies, remember I said I'm not styling in this video. I'm just doing try on all for you all to see. There's a twist to this dress and I'm going to show you. So hang in there. Let's look at this now. The detailing, it's so amazing. Like, you don't even need to wear anything under this if you don't want to, apart from your panties, okay, your underwear. If you don't want to wear a body shaper, you will be good to go because of all this ruche at the front. In my own opinion, you can wear these outfits both front and back. Look at the front. All I did, the twist I did was turn it around. I turned the one that was at the front initially to the back. You all can tell now that all the ruche, they are at the back now. You see? Look at them. They are at the back. You see? Then this is the front now. Within the value of 2 dresses for one price. Yes, so you can actually wear this dress like both ways. That I've styled it like everything. They are all well tailored. Trust me, they are well made, and for the prices, that is ridiculous. If you don't jump onto this app now to purchase at wholesale price directly to you, all right, from the producer to you, please don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on it at all. Look, this is the end of this video, ladies. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.